It's usually cost. So when they first come to us, usually the insurance company kind of suggest them, okay, if you add more cameras, your insurance premium will go down. Yeah, so that's why you see a lot of dealership that has mobile cameras in different corner of the parking lot, similar with the retail stores. So the more camera they have, the lower the insurance premium. So basically, they come to us to have that kind of discussion. And then we usually suggest them with that. They also could add their current cameras capability with the AI. Yeah. So for example, we work with Bridgestone tire factories, and they want to prevent injuries at workplace. So at that point, we work with our ecosystem partner, ISV, that creates AI software, and installer, that's our integrator, and then finally ASUS, that's us doing the hardware OEMs. So we all of us go in there and find out what their pain point is. So usually they want to again prevent injuries and reduce insurance premium cost. With this total package solution, it's very seamless integration. All we need to do is add a one edge server using Intel Xeon processor. Right now, the Panda Lake actually can support up to 60 cameras with our ISP partners. So if you have 200 cameras, you can use one or two or three servers that could do AI inferencing. So it could provide the keep out zones, as well as if the workers are wearing proper headgear, mask, gloves, as well as they could detect the worker is operating the machinery properly, or they're too close to a dangerous machine, and then give out a daily report. That's we call it the agentic AI part. No, I'm sorry, generative AI part. So they have a daily report, weekly report on how many infraction the employees is doing, and then so on a weekly meeting they could correct that action. So right now that factory has been running for 2-3 years now because of recent agentic AI information coming out. So the customer is actually asking us to use the same existing server, do a software upgrade where they can do warning right out on the factory floor. So they're adding a speaker, very simple speakers about if the employees is crossing a keep out zones, they would actually tell them to to not to do that. So it's becoming the factory is becoming like your mother trying to correct kids. It's actually they want to do that in the next few months. So we're working on that software update. So basically, it's the whole overall process is very seamless. Basically, we're just adding couple Intel Xeon server to their existing NVR system. So most of the IP cameras will have RTSP, which is the real-time streaming protocol that can slip the video stream to recording, as well as to our AI server. So the AI server will, process any type of AI application that you wanted to do to the factories. Yeah, right. It's probably a little bit work for our integrator partner, but it's actually a few days work that they don't even notice. Our customer didn't even notice until we show them the dashboard and the video AI that they're detecting. So it only takes a few days to add a couple server to their existing factory. We're not touching their camera. We're not doing anything to the network. We're just rerouting the camera information to our server and start doing the AI. So it's really seamless integration for them. For security space, so again, we can just add a edge AI and enable their warehouse or retail space camera to do some AI workload. However, like I mentioned before, their insurance might need some type of camera outside of the parking lots. So in that case, we work with partners like LVTs that makes the trailer cameras for their AI integration. So with their trailer camera, they're solar powered, running on battery. They also have Intel, Raptor Lake inferencing embedded compute to support for camera with the AI, so they can detect. Say they can set something like after 11 p.m. If there's a car driving into the lot, they will start recording the license plate and other uh, uh, gunshot detection that can enable during the day, so they can warn about security at the door that there might be some people with a gun in the parking lot trying to get into the store. So that is also a seamless integration because it's a trader that's not going into their store itself. It's actually parked at the parking lot, and then all of a sudden you got your recording done on the from the parking lot angle, as well as some AI capability for threat detections. So it's just an added feature that you can see there. Oh yes. So on the edge computer, most of the time they do inferencing, um, and we could upgrade their feature set in the future. Um, so for example, besides gunshot detection, they can add a knife detection, with a software update, right? And also they could, uh, you know, detect the car is speeding in the parking lot. There's a lot of feature that we could add based on the customer's feedback, so that would help them keep continue to improve their security and safety in the retail space. With the latest Intel Panther Lake, they don't need to look for a big GPU server anymore. So we could come up with actually we currently we have mini PC. We call it the ASUS Nook, that running on the Ultra 9 Series 3, that can actually support up to 80 cameras now that can also do AI. So a very small computer, less than $1,000, actually probably 1,200. Yeah, so you could start, streaming your 60 camera to 80 cameras, streaming with the AI capabilities. I could probably talk about the budget issues because usually on a security setup, they have a certain budget. Uh, and usually, if we presented a GPU server in the past, it will blow up their budget because it's like $30,000 versus 1,200 Nook, so $1,200 Intel Nook. So it's very cost effective now to deploy AI for the security surveillance market using Intel solutions.